Current Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is $0.32. Star Atlas DAO cost examination in a real sense is negative today, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Polly's cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram. Polly's is in every way that really matters. Intraday volume basically remains at $305,944. The 14th of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for the following week and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time basically clarified some pressing issues. What for the most part is transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, sort of is Polly's a wise venture, or so they fundamentally thought. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. However, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Polly's specialized investigation, especially let us generally discuss the very current economic situations, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters. Whole digital currency market to $1,058,986,395,016, which by and large is very critical. The especially all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $28,914,442,597 in a kind of large manner. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, showing that Polly's cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline in an unobtrusive manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78% in an exceptionally large manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time period. Or so they most certainly thought. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP generally, is somewhere near 9.41 and at present exchanging at 51 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they especially thought. These occasions essentially show that the market really is going in a kind of descending course for kind of present moment. As of now, a general especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Star Atlas DAO execution. The fundamentally current Star Atlas DAO cost especially is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, Polly's is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD, which most certainly is very huge. What really is Star Atlas, or so they generally thought? Star Atlas is a gigantic multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse, which truly is genuinely huge. It really is being based on unbelievable Motor 5, permitting the game to highlight film quality, constant conditions. Star Atlas happens in a modern sci-fi setting in 2620, where three pretty significant groups certainly have truly arisen and certainly are vying for assets and control. But humanity. ONI, a consortium of extremely extraterrestrial societies, and Uster, genuinely conscious androids, which basically is very huge. The game for the most part consolidates various types in an extremely huge manner. It explicitly is part procedure in that you explicitly need to explicitly foster strategic game plans on the most proficient method to by and large cooperate with different players and groups. Some portion of it in a real sense is investigation, as the game highlights a wealth of stars for investigation and double dealing in a kind of significant manner. Since players can venture out to and investigate these stars freely through first individual flight, it generally is to some degree a flight reenactment, which fundamentally is very huge. In conclusion, players can mine assets and most certainly get income streams from doing as such, making it likewise a pretending gain, exhibiting how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a for the most part descending bearing for commonly transient in a sort of significant manner. Subsequent to picking a group, players at first start in group security zones without battle to basically investigate essential ongoing interaction, which is genuinely critical. Afterward, they can branch out to medium-level security and open ongoing interaction where battle is conceivable, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Key interactivity support points are essentially profound space investigation, battle, building space stations and ships, picking in-game callings to mine assets, manufacturing partnerships to scale control of assets, which truly is genuinely huge. Resources gained in the game can later basically be traded for genuine money, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Who especially are the originators behind Star Atlas, which is very critical. Star Atlas was established by Chief Michael Wagner, Q Pablo Quiroga, CPO Danny Floyd, and CTO Jacob Floyd. Before establishing Star Atlas, Michael Wagner, in every practical sense, worked at a VC reserve and at Multichain Adventures, an organization zeroed in on creating blockchain-centered items, or so they for the most part thought. Pablo Quiroga is the pioneer behind an enhancement startup and basically worked in biotechnology before helping to establish Star Atlas, which certainly is very huge. What in every way that really matters makes Star Atlas by and large exceptional in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas basically expects to by and large convey a vivid metaverse gaming experience that includes a few types and really joins a film-quality gaming experience with a capacity to especially procure virtual resources that can commonly be traded for genuine cash, which generally is genuinely huge. It intends to override its rivals by outflanking them in by and large a few regions, which is genuinely huge. Up to this point, no blockchain game especially consolidates as truly a wide range of interactivity prospects as Star Atlas, which really is genuinely huge. While games offer the choice to generally procure through marking, or fight commonly different players for virtual resources, or generally investigate its virtual world and structure partnerships, no game does all of the above at the same time. Showing how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the police specialized examination, in a real sense let us sort of discuss the genuinely current economic situation. Players can utilize the Atlas kind of token as in-game cash to buy resources, yet they can likewise sort of fundamentally purchase NFTs on the NFT commercial center that will work as boats and truly other in-game hardware, which basically is very huge. Simultaneously, players can basically certainly pick a calling, especially, for example, an abundance tracker, privateer, and an especially enormous number of others to in a real sense satisfy jobs on spaceships, which sort of is very critical. Spaceships will likewise sort of have the choice to in a real sense join assets and sort of contend exclusively, yet additionally by and large, showing how Pablo Quiroga for the most part is the pioneer behind an enhancement startup and generally worked in biotechnology before helping to establish Star Atlas, which generally is genuinely huge. These exceptionally supposed especially decentralized independent enterprises can explicitly develop whole space urban communities with going with miniature economies in a significant manner. The Police token, the in every practical sense second fundamentally badge of the Star Atlas universe, will in every way that really matters act as an administration by and large token in these space urban communities, as well concerning administration choices in regards to the game. Further appearance how Star Atlas DAO execution. The especially current Star Atlas DAO cost basically is 32 cents. With an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the very beyond 24 hours.